If you're a military member, veteran, or a surviving spouse, VA loans might have crossed your radar. So, what exactly are they? This National VA Loans Ultimate Guide will dive into the essentials of VA loans, covering everything from eligibility to benefits and the application process. If at any time you have a question about your VA loan benefits, call us at 855-956-4040. Now, let's talk about the key feature that makes VA loans so attractive. They allow eligible individuals to purchase their dream home with zero money down. That's right, the VA Home Loan Program, backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, is specifically designed to assist veterans in the home buying process without the financial burden of a down payment. Being a part of this program can be a game changer. The VA loan was established back in 1944, primarily under the GI Bill of Rights, to support returning service members post-World War II. Since then, it has grown into a critical resource for our veterans, making homeownership a more attainable goal. So, how exactly does a VA loan work? Eligible borrowers must secure a Certificate of Eligibility, or COE, which verifies their military service. Once they have the COE, they can approach VA-approved lenders. These lenders, knowledgeable about the unique requirements of the VA loan process, will help guide you through the necessary steps to secure financing. Now, you might be wondering, who is eligible for a VA loan? The criteria set by the Department of Veterans Affairs is based on specific military service requirements. Active duty service members can qualify after serving a minimum period and obtaining their DD Form 214. This form is essential to illustrate their military service history. For veterans, the pathway is similar. If you've been honorably discharged and meet the service length requirements, you too can apply for a COE. It's essential that veterans submit their discharge papers, known as Form DD-214, to the VA to kickstart the process. Members of the National Guard and Reserve can also qualify for a VA loan. The same goes for surviving spouses, provided they meet the necessary conditions. In short, the VA loan program is a powerful tool tailored to help those who have served our nation. It offers favorable terms, allowing borrowers to secure 100% of their home's purchase price without the typical roadblocks such as a down payment or PMI. This program empowers veterans and active military members, enhancing their transitions into stable homeownership. If you're ready to explore the VA loan benefits, don't hesitate to reach out. National VA Loans is prepared to assist you on this journey, ensuring you maximize the advantages of this exceptional program. Call us now at 855-956-4040 for a free consultation and find out how you can unlock the door to your dream home with ease. Understanding the ins and outs of VA loans is crucial for anyone eligible. This program stands out as a remarkable initiative for veterans, and it offers resources to pave the way for homeownership. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into more aspects of VA loans in the next sections of our Ultimate Guide. Surviving spouses of veterans who died in service or as a result of a service-connected disability may be eligible for a VA loan, especially if they are receiving dependency and indemnity compensation, or DIC. It's essential to understand the criteria for eligibility, which includes factors like the length of the marriage, the veteran's service status at death, and whether the surviving spouse has remarried or is caring for a child of the deceased veteran. DIC provides crucial financial support with a monthly tax-free benefit that assists with living expenses, making it vital for spouses seeking to navigate the application process for benefits and services. Now let's explore the benefits of a VA loan. One significant perk is the absence of down payment requirements. This means you can enter homeownership with zero down payment. This feature is particularly beneficial, especially as home prices rise and make it difficult for first-time buyers. The VA loan program liberates you from worrying about hefty down payments. Another compelling reason to consider a VA loan is that there's no monthly mortgage insurance. Unlike FHA and conventional loans that require it as part of the monthly payment, VA loans eliminate this cost entirely. This translates to more savings each month, allowing military homeowners to keep more of their hard-earned money. Additionally, VA loans generally offer lower interest rates compared to conventional loans, This helps reduce your monthly mortgage payments and makes it easier to qualify, owing to better debt-to-income ratios. The lower rates also underline how accessible and beneficial these loans are for those who have served our country, making them a valuable asset in the home financing landscape. Speaking of accessibility, did you know that about 80% of those who secure a VA loan wouldn't have qualified for a conventional loan under similar conditions? This reflects how VA loans have been specifically designed with more accommodating criteria, making homeownership achievable for many veterans and service members. However, it's essential to consider the drawbacks of VA loans. One notable aspect is the funding fee. This one-time payment is required to help sustain the VA loan benefit for future military borrowers, ensuring taxpayers aren't burdened by the no down payment benefit. The fee varies based on service type, down payment, and whether it's the borrower's first VA loan. For first-time users with no down payment, the fee hovers around 2.3% of the loan amount, decreasing with larger down payments. Another limitation is property restrictions. VA loans require that your home meets specific minimum property standards. These standards encompass safety, structural integrity, and overall livability, meaning the property must be free of issues like mold, pests, or significant water damage. Knowing these requirements can help potential buyers avoid financing hurdles. Additionally, VA loans can only be used for primary residences, ruling out investment properties or vacation homes. This is central to the purpose of VA loans, intended to ensure veterans and service members secure stable housing for themselves and their families. While this restriction might limit some options, it ultimately reinforces the goal of ensuring veterans have a place to call home. Finally, let's discuss a valuable tool available to veterans: the VA Loan Calculator. This user-friendly resource helps estimate the costs associated with a VA home loan, factoring in unique features such as no down payment or mortgage insurance. By inputting details like loan amount, interest rate, and loan term, users receive a detailed breakdown of payments, helping them plan and budget more effectively for homeownership. As we wrap up, knowing the ins and outs of VA loans provides a pathway to better decision-making and financial preparation for those who have served. In our next segment, we'll delve even deeper into more facets of VA loans. Stay tuned. Applying for a VA loan begins with obtaining your Certificate of Eligibility, or COE. This critical document verifies your eligibility for VA benefits. Once you have your COE, your next step is to find a lender experienced in VA loans. The process can differ significantly from conventional loans, so it's essential to partner with someone who understands the unique requirements. During the application, you'll need to submit several documents, including proof of income, employment history, and credit scores. If you're a former service member, be ready to present your discharge or separation papers. Once your application is submitted, the lender will begin the approval process. They'll verify your eligibility, review your financial documents, and schedule a home appraisal before closing the loan. The lender will evaluate your credit history and employment status to ensure you meet all requirements. VA loans offer significant benefits. They allow for no down payment, lower interest rates, and no private mortgage insurance. This makes it easier for veterans and service members to become homeowners. If you're considering a VA loan, don't wait. Call National VA Loans today at 855-956-4440 to explore your options and begin your journey toward homeownership. Let's make your homeownership dreams a reality.